Okay, we have our corner post set now, and that also sets this plane going back this direction. And so we want to set our, what do we call, our starter post back here. And it needs to set no more than 4 inches off of the wall here. I usually set them at about 3.5 just to be on the safe side. Code says it can't be any more than 4. So I set these posts at 3.5, real similar how I set the other post like this. And here I would go ahead and use our little measuring device to get our height right, and go ahead and set it like that, and then measure out 3.5 inches from this plane right here to the wall. So it can come out a little more, but right there. And we need to cut our notch into our board here to let this plate go back a little bit. So we'll go ahead and mark it. I have this at 3.5, so we'll go ahead and mark this. And then I'll take my tri-square and mark that for depth and cut it just like we did all the rest of the posts, so we can temporarily attach this one. Okay, so I've got our notch cut in here for our starter post. So once again, we want to use our little measuring device here to keep our correct height. Set it up here, and that notch shows us that we're going to be our 3.5 inches off. So we just want to make sure we got everything in here we need, and we're fairly plumb that direction. Let's go ahead and put a temporary screw in there, and then we'll check it for plumb again. Okay, let's see where we're at. A little bit that direction. Plumb in both directions. Okay, pretty close in both directions. So now that we've got all of our main structural posts mounted, we're ready to start putting our top cap on.